1. Droplet water monitor. Close-up of a clamp-on sensor attaching to a water pipe. Graphic overlay showing water usage spikes. Home Assistant dashboard pop-up with leak alert. Clean tech. Macro shots. Glowing UI overlays 2. Apollo M1 LED matrix. Wide shot of LED matrix glowing on wall. Close-up of pixel animations. GIFs. Phone sending a text gives display on the matrix. Colorful. Neon reflections. Text. WLED LED matrix board. 3. Vibration sensor automation hidden sensor under recliner user sitting gives lights fade off. Lamp turns on macro shot of vibration sensor style. Cozy evening atmosphere text. Smart vibration sensor. 4. Marauder Mini 2 flashlight. Flashlight lighting up backyard like daylight. Switching to spotlight mode. Shooting far red light mode demonstration. Style. Dramatic nighttime lighting text. 10,000 lumen flashlight. 5. Budget magnetic flashlight. Flashlight snapping off magnetic dock USB-C port charging animation. Hand fidgeting with rotating head. Style. Minimal desk aesthetic text. $14 mini flashlight 6. Zeus 800 Z-Wave dimmer. Installation time-lapse. 3-way switch demo smart bulb mode always powered on style. Bright home interior text. Reliable smart dimmer. 7. Tempest weather station in backyard with rain real reading versus inaccurate phone weather wind triggered shade automation. Style. Outdoor cinematic text. Hyperlocal weather station 8. Rechargeable dust blower. Blowing dust out of robot vacuum sensors cleaning keyboard and PC fans power level indicator close-up style. High energy macro shots. Text. Rechargeable air blower 9. Edifier bookshelf speakers. Speakers mounted on bookshelf. Echo Dot or Ha voice unit plugged in music playing with meter animation style. Warm studio look text. Bookshelf speaker upgrade. 10. Local AI with Llama. Laptop running local LN in terminal smart speaker receiving private answer. UI animation of local only AI. Style. Cyber minimal aesthetic text. Offline AI at home 11. Valerian projector. Cinematic wide of projector setup. Dark movie scene showing deep blacks lens close-up with optical zoom style. Home theater cinematic text. Home cinema projector 12. Dishwasher smart plug indicator. Dishwasher turning on gives smart plug power spike dashboard showing green clean button finger tapping button to reset style. Clean kitchen look. Text. Smart dishwasher hack.